Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard water. To begin, understand that hard water is characterized by its high concentration of dissolved mineral ions, predominantly calcium and magnesium. You can effectively create hard water by introducing specific mineral salts into distilled or deionized water. The amount of these minerals you add directly influences the water's hardness level, allowing for precise control over its properties for various applications. The primary minerals needed to create hard water are calcium and magnesium. Common and effective forms include calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate, often known as Epsom salt. These compounds are highly soluble in water, quickly dissociating to release the essential calcium and magnesium ions. For best results and safety, always opt for food-grade or laboratory-grade salts to ensure purity and avoid unwanted contaminants in your solution. Creating hard water is a straightforward process. First, begin with a clean container holding 1 liter of distilled or deionized water to ensure a neutral starting point. Next, carefully measure and add approximately 1 gram of calcium chloride and 1 gram of magnesium sulfate to the water. Finally, stir the mixture thoroughly for several minutes until all the mineral salts are completely dissolved, resulting in your custom-made hard water solution. Hard water has various applications, particularly in scientific research, testing, and certain industrial processes where mineral content is crucial. To accurately determine the hardness level of your solution, use a reliable water hardness test kit, which often expresses results in parts per million. Remember, you can always adjust the amounts of calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate to achieve your desired specific hardness levels for different experimental or practical needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.